Installing a Rain Bird inline valve is easy. You're going to need threaded pipe adapters, a roll of PTFE thread seal tape, PVC primer, and glue. First, shut off the main water supply to your irrigation system. Wrap a thin layer of PTFE thread seal tape around the threads of the pipe adapters and screw them into the valve's inlet and outlet. Tighten the fittings with pliers or channel locks, but be careful not to over-tighten them. Ensure that the valve arrows are pointing in the direction of the water flow. Next, apply primer to the insides of the fittings and the outsides of the pipes. After the primer dries, spread an even layer of glue over the primer. Insert the pipes and make sure the valve is level. Let the glue dry for at least 30 minutes before turning the main water supply back on. Next, connect the solenoid to your sprinkler timer. Use watertight wire nuts to protect the connections from water. Connect the white wire on all solenoids to the common wire, which is also usually white. Then connect the other solenoid wire to a power wire, which is usually colored. Each solenoid must be connected to a different color wire. Your Rain Bird valve is now ready to use.